Space, the final frontier, holds more mysteries than we can fathom, including the discovery of some truly terrifying creatures. Consider the sheer scale of the cosmos, an expanse so vast, so infinite, that it defies human comprehension. Within this boundless void, the possibility of life beyond our pale blue dot becomes not only plausible, but probable. Enter the field of astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, a discipline that has been making strides in finding signs of extraterrestrial life. Its discoveries have been nothing short of astounding, hinting at the existence of creatures that bear little resemblance to the life forms we know. The hostile conditions of space, extreme temperatures, lack of oxygen, and high radiation could give rise to organisms far more terrifying than anything we have on Earth. Picture organisms thriving in near absolute zero or boiling temperatures, creatures that eat radiation for breakfast. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we are faced with the chilling reality of life forms beyond our comprehension. Beneath the icy surface of Jupiter's moon, Europa, scientists have discovered an underwater world teeming with what could be life. A realm hidden in the shadows, submerged in icy depths where sunlight dares not reach. Here, hydrothermal vents spew forth heated water from the moon's core, creating an environment that could potentially host life. Now you might be wondering what kind of life could possibly survive in such a harsh and unforgiving environment. To answer that, we look closer to home, to our very own planet's hydrothermal vents. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, we find creatures that seem plucked straight from a horror film. Giant tube worms, eyeless shrimp, and other grotesque beings make their home around these vents, thriving in conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. These creatures, known as extremophiles, have adapted to survive in the most brutal of environments. They don't rely on sunlight for energy. Instead, they feed on chemicals spewing from the vents, a process known as chemosynthesis. It's a stark contrast to the photosynthesis we're familiar with, and it's this very difference that makes them both fascinating and terrifying. Imagine, if you will, how life might evolve around the hydrothermal vents on Europa. With no sunlight, the deep, dark waters could be home to creatures more monstrous than anything we've encountered on Earth. Creatures that have adapted to the extreme cold, the crushing pressure, and the utter darkness. Creatures that not only survive, but thrive in an environment that would be considered a living nightmare to us. These alien creatures thriving in the deep, dark waters of Europa challenge our understanding of life and strike horror into the hearts of those who dare to imagine. It's a chilling thought, the existence of such horrors, but it's a thought that could very well be a reality. And as our understanding of the universe expands, we might one day come face to face with the hideous horrors of hydrothermals. Beyond the horror of Europa, the methane lakes of Saturn's moon, Titan, could be home to life forms beyond our worst nightmares. Let's delve into the enigma of these methane lakes and the chilling possibilities they present. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, offers a landscape eerily similar to our own, with one stark difference: its lakes and rivers are not filled with water, but with liquid methane. Imagine standing on the shores of a lake, not with the familiar scent of damp earth, but with the biting aroma of natural gas. A view that is not only alien, but potentially teeming with life as we've never known it. In 2005, the Cassini-Huygens mission gave us our first glimpse of these methane lakes, a discovery that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Why, you ask? Methane, like water on Earth, could be a solvent for life. But not life as we know it. This would be life based on methane, not on water, a concept that challenges our Earth-centric view of biology. If such creatures exist, their biology would be fundamentally different from ours. Instead of water, their cells might use methane to dissolve nutrients and expel waste. They could thrive in temperatures that would freeze us solid and breathe in an atmosphere that would suffocate any Earth creature. To us, they would seem alien, terrifying, a stark reminder of how life can adapt in the most extreme conditions. Yet it's not just their potential existence that strikes fear into our hearts, it's the unknown. We have no way of knowing what these creatures might look like, how they might behave, or even how they might interact with us. They would be creatures of a world so different from ours. Their very existence challenges everything we know about life. The potential inhabitants of Titan's methane lakes serve as a chilling reminder of the terrors that might lurk in the corners of our universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must brace ourselves for the unimaginable. for the terror of Titan is a testament to the boundless possibilities that space holds. From the underwater horrors of Europa to the methane monsters of Titan, space exploration continues to reveal terrifying possibilities of alien life. We've delved into the chilling depths of space, encountered the hideous creatures of hydrothermal vents, and braved the terror of Titan. Each discovery a testament to the infinite and often frightening potential of the universe. As we continue to probe the cosmos, we must brace ourselves for the unimaginable terrors that await us in the dark abyss of space.